Most traders spend hours scanning charts trying to find the best stock to trade. But my entire scanning routine takes me under 5 minutes. I've been using this method since 2018 across thousands of trades with a 90% win rate. Today, I'll show you my daily routine I use to find the best stocks to trade. Traders, the website we will be using to scan stocks is called Finviz. I'll put the link in the description below. I've been using this free stock scanner service for many years now, and I find the freemium version is good enough. I never paid for it, and I don't think you guys need to pay for it. There is an elite version. If you guys want to try it, you guys can try it for 7 days, but I never paid for it, and it works just fine. So how do we get to a screener? The first thing is, on the main page, click on screener right here, right beside news. After that, you'll see this will show you a bunch of stocks all over the world, not just the US. As you can see, they even show stocks in China and many other countries. There's too many stocks right now, so we have to filter out some criteria to find the best stocks we want. First thing I like to do myself is market cap. I only look at mega caps, 200 billion and above. I want the biggest stocks for the biggest option volume and for the tightest bid-ask spread. The next thing I do is average volume. I want over 2 million. I want to make sure a lot of people are trading these stocks. Again, this is for liquidity reasons. There's a lot of criteria here that you guys can also play with, but for me, I think this is good enough. The next tab you can go to is fundamentals. There's a lot of different criteria you can choose here. The ones I usually focus on myself is I want the PE ratio to be positive. I want the company to be making money. EPS growth this year, also I want it to be positive. And let's see what else we can put here. There's a lot of stuff here that I don't really care too much about because I'm mainly a technical trader. I'm not too much on fundamentals. So I think I'm happy with this. Now the technical side, let's put some more criterias. I want the 20 SMA to be above the 50 SMA. So right here, as you can see, every time I add a criteria, my list got smaller. Before the list was at around 500 something pages. Now it's only at 2 pages. So about 40 stocks left. Even that is a little bit too much. I'm going to continue putting on more criteria. The 50 SMA, I like it to be above the 200 SMA. So my stock list got a little bit smaller again. And also RSI, 14-day RSI, I want it to be not overbought. So under 50. Now I only have 5 stocks left for today to check out. As you can see, and also I have to check country should be US only because we're only trading US stocks. All right. So with all this stuff in place, we only have 5 stocks to look at today. And what I would do is I would go into my TradingView and type in Apple. I will look at them individually and see if I want to go long or sell short puts on this. This is how I scan my stocks and filter out the list of stocks to scan, because it is not possible for you guys to look at 100 different stock charts a day. It's a waste of time. It's not efficient. It's best to use a stock screener that is free right here to do this. Now, with that being said, you can also look at the charts on Finviz themselves. I personally like TradingView because I'm used to it and I have my indicators on. But if you guys just want to take a sneak peek, they have a very nice button right here called the TA button. And you can see the stock chart right from the screen itself. So that's a very nice feature. Once you get good at scanning, you can just glance at this. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is good. Oh, I might be interested. All right. So that's how I scan for my stocks every day. And that's how I save so much time I don't spend hours looking at charts. I spend literally under 5 minutes because I'm so efficient and I only have a few stock candidates to look at every day. There's no need to look at all the stocks in the world as a daily routine. All right, traders, that's it for today. Trade small, trade safe.